Hello Lego fans, this is Super Lego Boy coming in with a quick review. I call this the police motorbike ramp, the police motorbike ramp thing. I didn't buy it. I did create it like my robot in my last review. But there's one thing I did get from a proper set, and that is the police motorbike. And that was about a £5. And I can't remember exactly where I bought the motorbike. Anyway, why don't we just get straight on into the close-up and I will tell you more about it. Okay, if you look at the ramp, I got these slope pieces, the flat pieces, all along here. Okay, if I just get that's a bit better quality. Okay, there's the motorbike. The minifig is him. I do use a clone helmet just for the fact that for guy. Okay, I'll just like go along the flats and like that. There's a closer view of it. The motorbike is nearly as big as the ramp itself. It is when it does a wheelie, if I just show that, it's nearly just about bigger. If I it's about bigger there. Okay, you can make the sky go along flat surfaces, and you can just place that wherever you want it. And whoa! Yeah, yeah. So. Yeah. Well, actually, it's more like. Yeah. But I'd like to make my own sound effects kind of things. So it just goes up and down. And if I just get the minifig. One bad thing about having this slippery bit is you cannot have him stay in one spot, so he just slips about. If you look, he just slips on where. Okay. Let me just get him. God, this is annoying webcam. Okay. All in all, I think it's quite good. I do think the motorbike was a bit pricey. Yeah, but the ramp I think is quite good. Yeah. The minifig is touch and go. It's not very good. The sticker on the front I had to put on myself. That was a bit annoying when I got this minifig. One thing you can do if you do that, there are a couple of studs up here, so you can just pop him there. So you can sit on the ramp and it'll be like a slide. Whee! Yeah. And this is the piece that goes on there. Okay, like I said, all in all, it's a pretty cool set thing. Okay. Like I would normally say in any video, please, 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 just buy what you like to do. Okay? Just buy what you like to do. And my next review will, like you said, will either be the swamp set, which I might be doing on Sunday morning, or some apple tree house reviews, which I'll be having to do Sunday morning or next week, I'm afraid, because well, I'm still building, because I'm gonna have to do 3 different videos on that, because that you can do 3 different houses: bungalow, tower, and big house. Anyway, just like I said, buy things, whatever you like to do, Lego, whatever. And like I said last time, it's easy to do a review. You just need a webcam and a channel, and that's pretty much it. Anyway, this is Super Lego Boy 594. Wait. Oh, can't do that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What the hell was I thinking? Anyway, please rate, comment, and subscribe. Super Lego Boy 594 out! Booyah! Bye.